Welcome to this video, 100 tips and tricks in ABAP tips 69. So in this video I would like to show and explain to you how you can select a larger block within the ABAP editor and then copy and paste it into another source. So basically here right now I am already in the ABAP editor, so the transaction SE38, and imagine that you would like to copy or select a coding within here. What you can do is you can just click here with your mouse and then move your mouse cursor to the part that you would like to select. But via this approach you can just select everything. So you can't just select, for example, here if we just would like to select types and so on, or just click the comments and so on. You're always selecting everything. And if you just like to select a block in between, not starting from the first column, first position to the last one in between, there what you can do is you can use a key combination. This is Alt and Shift. Once you're using these key combinations, as I'm doing it right now, then you can select the part that you would like to do, and you can see if you use and click your mouse button, then you can see that your mouse cursor changes to this cross, and you have to be aware that the selection starts where your cursor is. So if you would, as mentioned, like to select just the comments, set the focus here on the first position where you would like to select it, then using Alt and Shift, and then move to the part that you would like to copy. So this one, for example, and then you can drop basically your mouse button, the key combination, and then after selecting the block, you can use Control C to have it copied. And for example, if I'm opening up here Notepad and then using Control V, then you can see that I have successfully copied and pasted the topics or the information that I would like to have copied. So yeah, I said this. If you have any questions left, please put them in the comment sections. 31 great videos about ABAP tips and tricks available and upcoming. So stay tuned and see you in the next video.